When I took Strand up Creek, he kind of owed me one because that's such a nice spot. And so he's taking me into his favorite spot. What are we fishing for today, Strand?
Cutthroat.
Nice, my favorite. Let's hit one. Second you put that dry on, I get your rod. Just got the going.
Did I see? Can I believe that what I saw that night was real and not just fantasy?
Nice ball, Strando. Yeah, buddy.
Just what I saw.
It's gotta be at least 17 inches. Look at that.
Were the reflections of my woman staring back at me?
Hey, back.
Was in my
Look at that,
dreams. It's
awesome.
always there. Evil face.
That is a good looking fish.
Guess what?
You're next,
They all
man.
look like that.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, this water is so cold. He's like, I'm out of here. Sure. Yeah, there we go. Nice. Ooh, spicy guy, hey? Screwing around. Screwing around. Oh, there's another one. Chasing it or what? Yeah. Net him for you, Strand?
Yeah.
I want to see what flyer you're using anyway. There. He fits in there a lot nicer than my last one did, doesn't he?
Yeah, it sure does.
Yeah.
Did the net get bigger?
No, I think the fish got smaller.
Oh. That's typical of these streams, you know.
Let's see if the tiny little spots. Ate a caddis, hey?
Yeah.
Wow. That looks like an east slope.
Pretty.
Pretty little fish. Huge cutty. Like monster cut. Wow. Holy crap.
Wow.
You're gonna have to grab the net out of the back of my. Oh, geez. Grab the net out of the back of my back. No, he just came up and slightly. Come on. Gotta keep the tension on him, dude. Or I'm gonna slip his bar. Wow. Holy crap! As far as cutthroats go, this is almost as big as they get.
Look at that thing. Wow. Look at the size of that cutthroat.
Holy crap! That is the biggest cutthroat I've ever grabbed. Holy man!
Darky. Wow.
Sparrow wants to eat him. Search a giant cutthroat.
Right there.
Wow! Thanks,
was
Strando. That's killer, man. Killer. When in doubt, try the streamer out. scratches from what? I'm not sure, hey? Nice looking little bull though. The reason he's down here is because he's not spawning right now. He's just a little juvenile, but he's ready to cruise.
Little scratches.
Alright, see it.
It's them.
That's another really good cutthroat. Come on, buddy. Jeez. Look at the size of the cutthroat. Look at the size of this one too. Jeez. Hello. You gonna behave for me so I can get the hook out? Boy, yes, you're a very good fish. You're a very good fish. And that's the home that he lives in. Right there. Distinctive red slashes. Cutthroat trout. I think he does have a bit of rainbow in him though. Very nice. Thanks for letting me have that one, Strand.
That was a nice fish I got, eh?
Yes, it sure was.
I need your floating. I need your rod.
Me and Strand have a symbiotic relationship. He takes me into these awesome spots, and I catch the fish.
And I get to carry him out.
He gets to carry me out on his back. No, it's not. But no, we've got some huge fish. Strand got some big fish. I got some big fish. I don't think anyone's complaining. No, let's get the hell out of here. It's getting cold.
Put some poker